Hi guys, mag-upholstery cleaning muna tayo guys. First natin guys is vacuum muna natin ang sofa guys. Tapos after natin i-vacuum, so lagyan natin ng upholstery na spray. So tapos natin i-spray guys, yung upholstery na spray, gamitan na natin ng upholstery vacuum or cleaners. Super lakas nito guys, kaya nitong higupin ang marumi mong budhe. Joke lang po. So guys, kung sino yung gusto magpalinis, no, tumawag lang kayo o mag-PM lang kayo. Huwag kayong mahiya kay Uncle kasi automatic yan. Kaya, always amping, araw ng aping, di malumping. What Uncle said, Marites is the key. Let's go!